a Dollar Tree $10 slime challenge. So how this is also part 2. So how this is going to work is I'm going to make a foam slime, and if you didn't see the last video or read my description box, you will know that the smell stayed on me for about 2 days and it was really gross. So I have gloves over to the side of me. I don't know if you can see them on the camera or not, but they're there. So I'm going to be making a foam slime this time because I didn't get to use it last time. Let's get started. So first, what I decided I'm going to do is I'm going to use a lot of white glue and then like a dot of clear glue to give it the thickness because the clear glue is really thick. When I was setting up the video, I noticed that the clear glue is only up to there. I don't know if you can see that on camera, but it's only like 3/4 full. So that's nice. Luckily, we're only using a dot of it, so. There's like tiny bubbles in it. Oh my god, my hands are just gonna get. See, this is why I need glue. From last week, that's the same glue bottle, and my hands had gain on it, so I already smell like it. So we're putting on gloves already. I feel like a detective or something. Like, haha. So I can't wear my gloves. Now I'm gonna use this one too. I'm gonna make it huge. It's gonna be huge. Oh, this one's much more liquidy. Oh, it's coming out in the shape of it. Okay. Look how big it is already. I like big slimes. So, get the jar back. Now we're gonna mix them together. Okay. Now we're gonna add a dot of this clear glue, just so we make it thicker. It's like foggy. It's not even clear. This is like gel or something. Okay, that's all I need. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. And it's on my gloves. Luckily, we're not reusing them for something else. That in as well. Definitely made the glue much thicker. If you saw the last video, I couldn't figure out how to get this out, and then I had to get my mom to get me a chopstick. So, being the smart person I am, I got another beforehand. I keep thinking you can squeeze them, but you can't squeeze them. So, also if you can hear yelling in the background, it's my brother being funny. We locked him in a room, but this lets him out. So, don't mind that. Now! Sorry, headphones. Okay. Now, floam beads, ha ha ha. 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 That's probably way too much. I went well, so I'm happy there. Yeah, that was way too much. It's literally in chunks. It's literally in chunks because of the foam beads. Okay. I literally haven't added an activator, so you know what? Why are you sticking your hands in? Because I haven't even added an activator and I really don't want to. It's blowing my glove off. And I really don't want to because it smells really bad. But it's literally already activating in like chunks because I added too many things. I mean, it's still really sticky, but. When I was writing my little list of things we need, I wrote gain and then like a frowny face. So You deserve to be slimed. They're probably not throw this away. You're not the slime, but probably. Oh, that reminds me. So story time. When I did the video last week, I checked on the slime I made about a day later, and it was completely separated. I don't know how, but there was like this blue liquid and then the slime, and that looks super gross. I'm not gonna lie, how is it getting in? So this is why we need to find gloves that fit me. Comment below if you know kid-sized gloves that are actually suitable for children. Okay, that was a lot. Maybe this one isn't gonna be such a fail. I probably just jinxed it. Come back here. It's like getting on the inside of my glove. It's like falling down the drums. I'm putting my gloves together now. Okay. Smells clean. Looks like blueberry and grapes. Baby grapes. Okay. You can probably just speed up this part. Okay, go to. I feel like I'm cooking something, but then I did the recipe backwards. It doesn't sound very crunchy though. Like, I mean, kind of. No? Yes? Comment. It's your opinion. I mean, it's kind of working. Maybe? It's falling down in chunks, but I don't know if that's just because we're Wait, slow down, Dan. Okay, okay. Okay, now my mom's covering her nose with something else. A skirt, I guess, a straw, I don't know. Okay, we're gonna dump this out. Ready? 3, 2, oh my god. I should ask my dad to get like 10 of these. Now we wait. Is it literally not doing anything? What the heck? Are you coming? Oh yeah. You're coming. Just very slowly. Come on, we don't have all day. Jeez. I can't. Okay. Wait, they were all gone. Oh, that took a lot of power. I was just gonna do like one thing at a time, but then it's just all gone. That took a lot of magic. Ooh, God. Rest my magic finger. Okay, so it's gluing the glove to itself. And it's making the fingers like really short. So this is literally giving me a headache. Again, how does everybody do this? No bubble. It's not bubble. Wait. Kind of. Okay. So, I'm gonna go really quickly. Go, 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 go. No, I just want this to be like unsticky. And it's not working. And the gloves aren't working. I'm like this close to taking them off. So, it actually came off, guys. We're making progress. Right? It's actually working. Okay, it's getting kind of stiff. But it's working better than the other one. I mean, I'd have to go through that gross phase. My arms are so burning. I do gymnastics because of my flexibility, not my strength. You know, slime's just a whole nother cover thing. So just, I keep grabbing my finger. This isn't funny, Mom. Don't laugh. This is like horror for some people. Death. Oh no, I poured too much. I feel like I'm in a spider web of death. I really want to get this without the gloves.
That's your choice. You're done. You're doing it.
Just a little bit.
So we're gonna do slime. In conclusion, plum slime, probably a better choice, even though you know, because now I kind of know what the pros and cons of it are. So I'm definitely never doing this challenge again because it's hard and I get a part 2 and you guys should be satisfied. So in conclusion, this does work, but it gets a little messy. Rubber gloves are recommended, even though I'm a savage, so I ditched it. So there are a lot of great slime ingredients that I haven't found at other stores, but I did find at the Dollar Tree. Just Activator is not one of them. Activator, you might need to get it from somewhere else. I mean, if you would like a detergent smell to stay on your hands for days, that I swear I'm not exaggerating, 2 days. But, so you can get saline at like Target, and then baking soda, Target, and then you can get borax practically anywhere. So, saline and borax, better. I'm sure you can look up like a saline and baking soda or a borax recipe online. But, you know, so pretty good. I actually like the slime. I'm not gonna play with it that much though because it's very more subtle than last week because my hands were off the entire time. But it's still. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Also hit that subscribe button. If you want to be part of the hashtag Cat Kitten Squad, you need to comment that, hashtag Cat Kitten Squad, and you might get a shout out in a future video. This week's question is, do you know what my favorite Do you know what my favorite type of slime is? Also, answer to last week's question. It was hollow glitter. So, hello, thumbs up. Also love your iridescent, but. So, yeah. I'll see you in the next video. Bye! I mean, it is working. It's doing that thing that Borax does. Fortnite. He probably just died in Fortnite.